Hey, this is Cody, and I'll be installing a front splitter and two side skirts, an aero kit. I got this in carbon fiber, but they also had it in plastic. I got this from Shop Auto-Tuned. I got it from Auto-Tuned, and I think it's from Fly One Motorsports, so I'll put a link in the description. But it comes in plastic, carbon fiber, honeycomb carbon fiber, and forged carbon fiber. From when I ordered it, it took 5 weeks to come to my house. Because they make it after you order it, but I bought hardware from it. This is what it looks like up close. I also got hardware for it, and I bought that on Auto-Tuned, but I don't really get how to use that because it's just bolts and nuts. So what I'm going to do is I went to AutoZone and I got these number 12 inch and inch and a half screws, and I'll be using the inch long ones, and basically just screwing it on in there. And then I also got this from Harbor Freight, and I'll be making a pilot hole with one of these drills, and I'll be drilling it in with the Phillips head. The carbon fiber kit was $1,000 for the side skirts and $1,000 for the front splitter, so $2,000 total. It's basically a pretty good kit. I like it. It looks good. So I'll be installing that today. Let's go. Hope you enjoy. I also had this idea, since I'm doing it alone, is I would use these shoe boxes. These Nike shoe boxes to hold it up for me. So I'll drill one side in, and then I'll work my way to the other side, and that way it's held for me. Now, like I said, I'm going to be making a pilot hole with this kit right here. I'm just going to use one of these little drills to drill it in. You might not need to do that, but that's what I'm going to do. It'd probably make the screw go in better. Maybe it'd hold better. I don't know, but that's just what I'm doing. You might not have to though, but I think this is going to be pretty easy. I can't imagine this to be real hard. Just drilling in a screw to the side of your car, So, I imagine it's going to be pretty easy, and it's going to improve the look really much. And then I measured it with the measuring tape to kind of just see if it's at the right length and stuff, so I don't make it crooked or whatever. But basically, I don't think it's going to be too hard. And then I'll be in the front as well in a minute. Another thing you're going to have to do is there's this plastic part right here, and you're going to get a 10mm wrench and wrench it off. So there's this plastic piece right here. I hope you can see it, and you need to wrench it off. There's this screw, there's one up here, and I think that's about it. And it's just a little plastic thing you pry off. Okay, I got it all on there the way I want. I just want it sticking out a little bit, and I got it all on there. I'm going to drill it into there, and then I'm going to drive in the screw. I'll show you it when it's done. Alright, to recap what I just did, it's pretty self-explanatory what you have to do. You just kind of drill the thing in there, and then that's it. You just drill a screw in there. It's pretty simple to understand what to do. But basically, I drilled a pilot hole, which is with that little drill bit, and then I put 5 screws in there, which, let me get down. Which just look like that one or this one. It's pretty simple. I just put 5 in there. It's real understandable what to do. Not too hard. So, yeah. I feel you should be able to do this. It's not too bad, not too hard. Alright, now it's time to do the other side. I'm just gonna, like I said, drill the pilot hole and then put the screws in. It's pretty easy to do, but it's not too hard. It's basically just drilling screws in. But I'm really liking the way it looks so far, and I'll show you that when I'm done, and I'll do the front as well, and I'll show that to you. Now with the front, same deal. I got it on the shoe boxes, and I'm gonna put 6 screws in there. Yeah. So here we go. So yeah, one thing I did was I took all these bolts off the bumper, the front bumper. I removed all the bolts because whenever it needs to be serviced, let's say I do a job on it, anything, I don't want them dropping. I don't want to drop the front splitter to then just remove that plastic shield on the bottom. Yeah, I didn't want to drop the front splitter to remove that plastic shield. All right, here we go. All right, I got the kit on. That's how it looks. It looks a lot better in person, I'd say, but yeah, it's looking really good to me, and that's my car. Really impressed with it, Got it all done up. I feel like I'm probably getting a hood next. I want the carbon fiber VIS hood, and that'll likely be next. But this was super easy. You just get screws and you go through the thing. But I used a pilot hole. I used a pilot hole to I used the pilot hole to help me get it on straight, you know, and get it in there right. But honestly, you just drive a screw through it. And this is from Shop Auto-Tuned and Fly One Motor Works. So I'll be putting a link in the description, and you can get them in all different kinds, you know. So I mean, it's really made to order kind of part, and it wasn't cheap, but I mean, it looks good. Yeah, so hope you enjoy.